Well, good evening, YouTube friends and fans. Today I had an experience that I didn't think it would ever have. Didn't know it even existed. Let me show you what happened in the car. I'll show you how the windshield looks now it's been replaced, and we'll go from there. So as you can tell, the windshield looks good there. They replaced it. Well, when they replaced it, there are sensors that are attached to the windshield, and those sensors tell it if it's fogging up. Well, they have a brand new sensor with the windshield, and it sits right here above the rear view mirror. And that sensor is bad. So no matter what I do, if I try to take it off of defrost, it won't do it. It wants to go back to it. See that? And it won't let me run the AC for very long. So, to solve this problem, I had to pop the little black cover off and unplug the little white wire. It just so happens that I carry a multi-tool in my glove box. So I could get that little wire off of there. And now, to get that to reset, I just had to turn the car off so that it recognizes that it's not there. So now we just turn it back on. And you notice the sensor problem is gone. So anyhow, Safelite replaced the glass. They've already set up the contingent appointment to replace the sensor. Just gotta wait for it to get in stock. Anyhow, thanks for watching. And that mileage is rather accurate. Pulling a trailer though the last couple days, so that's why it's a little low. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you on the next video.